Tingnan mo sila, oh. Nag-hi. Hi ka muna, hi. Hi. Sino may birthday? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hoy. Tingin ka dun, oh. Tingin ka dun. Tingnan mo sila, oh. Hi. Hi ka, dali. Hi. Hi.
We're driving west to the coastline, and it feels like summertime as the wind is blowing by. Yesterday in the rear view, moving on to the brand new. Skies ahead, the clearest blue.
At ina pong pasisimulan ang pagdiriwang ng sakramento ng binyag sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
So we go chasing the sunlight. Hold on, yeah, it's a wild ride. Won't stop, now this is our time. The best is yet to come. Let's go, soak up the sun rays. Smile on, yeah, it's a new day. Can't stop, life is what we make. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. See the days getting brighter, and our hopes getting higher as our wild dreams ignite.
Sumainyo ang Panginoon. Pagpalain at ingatan kayo ng makapangyarihan at mapagmahal na Diyos Ama at Anak at Espiritu Santo. Humayo kayong taglay ang kapayapaan. Salamat sa Diyos. Pwede na pong patayin ang sindi ng kandila. Palakpakan po natin si Sky Marie. Congratulations!
So we go chasing the sunlight. Hold on, yeah, it's a wild ride. Won't stop, now this is our time. The best is yet to come. Let's go, soak up the sun rays. Smile on, yeah, it's a new day. Can't stop, life is what we make. The best is yet to come.
Ako si Kuya Benden. Happy birthday, Sky! I love you, Sky. I love you, Mami. Sana po maging talino po at saka malusog.
Happy birthday! Wish ko lang na malusog at kabait na bata. Yun lang, mahal ka namin. Love ni ate!
Hi, Sky Marie. Welcome to the Christian World and happiest birthday. Wish ko sana maging healthy ka, baby. More blessings to come to you and to your mom and to your brother.
Sana lagi kang masigla.
Naging malusog na bata. May takot sa Diyos.
Lumaki ka mo pa mana sa nanay.
Happy birthday, Sky! Sana lumaki kang isang batang mabait, matalino.
Sana, huwag nang iyakin. Huwag buslog. Basta isipin mo ang ginagawa ni Mami para sa'yo at kay Kuya.